If this wasn't captured on video, absolutely nobody would believe it actually happened.
Oh my god.
Yeah, thankfully everyone moved out of the way just in time. But these guys, on the other hand, they went out of their way to jump into one. Like, bro, who in their right mind even does that? Okay, so these guys were out kayaking when they heard a glacier cracking, so naturally they went to go check it out.
Oh my god, this thing's gonna go, and we're gonna see it. It's just popping and buckling. Oh. Man, when that whole thing goes, oh, here we go. Oh. Holy shit!
This is just the tip of the iceberg. Subscribe right now because our next video is going to be even crazier.